is at the Morrow Hotel. At the Morrow Hotel in Washington, D.C. We have some Otis Gen2 elevators. Still pretty new. So the slide rooftop is open, and I think the goodie lounge is open today. But I think the other floors are locked off. That needs to be required by key card.
Penthouse level. Going down.
These are really nice elevators. These are your fixtures. I think they're newer Series 4, I believe. Capacity is 4,500 pounds. There's your key card reader.
Third floor.
Going down?
Going down.
Going down?
First floor. Going down. P1. Going up.
Door close button works. Going back up to penthouse. And I happen to have reservations here, so that's why I'm filming these elevators. But these are some really nice elevators. I like the cabs on these too, and I like the blue a little bit on there.
Penthouse level.
Gets back down to B1.
Going down.
Take one more ride down. I think the rest of the floors are key carded, so. But if goodie lounge or slide penthouse, slide rooftop is open, then you can go up there. You can go up to the top or close to the top. But the rest of the floors are key carded, so. And
One. Going up.
And then we're gonna end at the penthouse. There's a security camera in the elevator. These are some nice elevators. These are newer Gen2. I think they were installed in 2022 and 2023.
Level.
It could have been 2022 or 2023.
Going down.
There it goes. That'll be it.